Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Siri and Search for the music app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Music. At the top here, tap on Siri and Search. Then tap on Learn from this app. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. This will allow the phone to use Siri and Search to look for content in music. So here's to allow Siri to learn from how you use music to make suggestions across apps. Now, if you want to show the music content in the search result, you can choose this option here, Show App in Search. Otherwise, you can switch it off. And then you can choose to show content in search or not as well. Other options are suggestions. So we can allow suggestions of music on the home screen, in other apps, and in notifications. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.